Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's privacy tips on Windows PC. I'm going to show you on how to simply stop Microsoft from spying you on your Windows PC. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the very first thing you want to do is to come down below right here where you have your start menu, right click on it, and this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to settings, and the next thing you need to do is to simply go to privacy. Let's go to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to go to diagnostics and feedback. Click on that. Let's go to take you right here. Now under diagnostic and feedback, so diagnostic data, this is where Microsoft gather all your data or your activities on your Windows PC and send it to Microsoft Cloud. So what you need to do right here is to make sure you disable Tailor Experience. Let Microsoft use your diagnostic data, excluding information about websites you browse, to offer you personalities, hands, and recommendation to enhance your Microsoft experience. Turn this particular button off. Then simply scroll down right here and turn on this setting to see your data in the diagnostic saver. So setting use up to 1 gig of hard drive space. So make sure you turn this off. It's as simple as that. So then come to the top right here under improve inking and typing, turn this button off or so. You are done. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to stop Microsoft from spying you on your Windows PC. I hope you really got fun for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.